Hello everyone, this is Mark Chavez and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, pag-uusapan natin ng factoring the sum and difference of two cubes. So if you want to know more about this lesson, please keep on watching. So alamin po natin how to factor sum or difference of two cubes. The first step is to identify the GCF of both terms if needed. Tulad ng ginawa natin sa previous video natin na difference of two squares, lagi nating first step ay finding the GCF kung kailangan. So kapag hindi naman po kailangan, mag-proceed na tayo sa susunod na step, which is to get the cube root of each term. And after that, we will use the formula. So for the sum of two cubes, ito po yung formula natin. Quantity of a cube plus b cube is equal to quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a squared minus ab plus b squared. So please make sure na tama po yung ating mga operation at yung mga susundan natin na mga term. For the difference of two cubes, ito po yung ating magiging formula. Quantity of a cube minus b cube is equal to quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a squared plus ab plus b squared. So kung papansinin po natin yung formula natin, so for example, sum of two cubes, ang kanyang operation ay plus. So ang first operation dito ng ating binomial factor ay plus din. Pagdating naman dun sa ating trinomial factor, titingnan po natin ang first operation ay opposite nung ating given. At yung ating last or second na operation po ay palaging plus. So pagka sum of two cubes, ang operation niya ay plus minus plus. Kapag difference of two cubes, ang ating operation sa binomial factor ay palaging minus. Pagka naman dun sa trinomial factor natin, ang ating first operation ay plus, which is opposite nung ating given na difference of two cubes. At yung ating last operation ay palaging plus. Okay? So tandaan natin ang pattern, no po. So yung first operation natin ay palaging same dun sa given. At yung second operation natin ay palaging opposite sa given. At yung last natin na operation ay palaging plus. Tandaan natin yung mga formulas na ito kasi gagamitin natin yan as we go on with the examples. So let's proceed with example number 1. Factor the quantity of m cubed minus 8. So first step natin is to get the GCF. At alam natin na ang common factor lang nila ay 1. At dahil ang common factor lang nila ay 1, wala yung masyadong bearing kapag ka-factor out natin. So let's proceed now with step number 2. So let's get the cube root. So sa first term, ang ating first term po ay m cube. So kapag kinuha natin ang cube root ng m cube, ay makakakuha tayo ng m. So when we get the cube root of the second term, we will get 2. So meron na tayong m at saka 2 as the cube roots. And now, gagamitin natin yung formula for the difference of two cubes. So diba ang formula natin, quantity of a cube minus b cube is equal to quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a squared plus ab plus b squared. So ipa-plug in lang natin yung mga values natin. So ang ating magiging sagot po ay quantity of m cubed minus 8 is actually factored out as quantity of m minus 2 times the quantity of m squared plus 2m plus 4. So kumbaga in-apply na natin yung formula. Kasi kung papansinin natin dito sa binomial factor natin, substitution lang talaga. A minus b will become m minus 2. So ang ating first term dito na m ay i-square natin dito, kaya naging m squared. At pagdating dito sa second term ng trinomial factor natin, ay mayroon tayong 2m kasi we multiply the cube roots of first term and second term. At pagdating naman dito sa last term ng ating trinomial factor, in-square natin yon. Kaya yung 2 square ay naging 4. So tandaan natin, may dalawang factors, yung difference at saka sum of cubes. So yung first factor niya palagi ay binomial factor na tinatawag kasi dalawang terms. At yung sumunod na factor natin ay tinatawag nating trinomial factor. Bakit trinomial? Dahil meron silang tatlong terms. Tandaan nyo po may binomial factor, may trinomial factor. Ang difference or sum of two cubes. Dito tayo sa example number 2. Factor out 27x cubed minus 125. So, alam natin na ang GCF nila ay 1. Kaya, walang masyadong bearing yun kapag pinactor out natin. So, let's now proceed with the second step agad, getting the cube root. So, if we get the cube root of the first term, we will get 3x. At kapag kinuha natin ng cube root ng second term, we will get 5. So, di ba, napakadali lang. If you have calculators with you, you can actually easily get the cube roots of those terms. So, gamitin na natin yung formula. Again, dahil ito ay difference of 2 cubes, ito po yung gagamitin nating formula. Quantity of a cube minus b cube is equal to quantity of a minus b times the quantity of a squared plus ab plus c squared. So, plug in lang natin yung mga values. So, we have 27x cubed minus 125 as our given. And yung mga factors niya po ay 3x minus 5. Yun yung binomial factor niya. At ang kanyang trinomial factor po ay quantity of 9x squared plus 15x plus 25. Again, in-apply na po natin yung formula kaya nag-arrive tayo with that answer. So, ang final answer natin kapag pinactor out natin yung given na ito ay quantity of 3x minus 5 times the quantity of 9x squared plus 15x plus 25. So let's now proceed with example number 3. Factor the quantity of 8y cubed plus 64. So ang first step natin palagi is to find the GCF of both terms. So kung observe natin, meron po silang common factor na 8. So we can factor out the given as 8 times the quantity of y cubed plus 8. So ngayon po, ang gagamitin natin na first term ay yung y cubed at ang second term ay 8 kapag hinanap natin yung kanilang cube roots. So let's now proceed with second step, get the cube root. So ang focus natin ngayon na kukunin ng cube roots ay yung y cubed plus 8. So when we get the cube root of first term, which is y cubed, so we will get y. And kapag kinuha natin ang cube root ng second term, which is 8, we will have 2. So since meron na tayong cube roots, gamitin po natin yung formula given to us. Quantity of a cubed plus b cubed is equal to quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a squared minus ab plus b squared. So ang gagawin lang po natin is substitute po natin yung nakuha natin sa step 2 para dun sa ating formula. So ang ating magiging answer po ay 8 times the quantity of y cubed plus 8 is equal to 8 times the quantity of y plus 2 times the quantity of y squared minus 2y plus 4. So wag po natin kalilimutang isama yung factor na 8, yung common factor na 8 na nakuha din natin sa first step. So ang final answer natin pag finactor natin ang given na quantity of 8y cubed plus 64i, ito pong nasa ilalim. 8 times the quantity of y plus 2 times the quantity of y squared minus 2y plus 4. Let's have the last example. Factor 343z cubed plus 216. First step, find the GCF. Alam natin wala silang ibang common factor kundi 1, kaya let's proceed right away with step number 2, which is getting the cube root. The cube root of first term is basically 7z. Okay? Pag kinuha natin yung cube root niyan. Sa second term naman, ang cube root natin ay 6. So ulit, gamitin natin yung formula for sum of 2 cubes. So we have this, a cube plus b cube is equal to the quantity of a plus b times the quantity of a squared minus ab plus b squared. So apply natin at plug in natin yung mga values and we will arrive with this answer. 343z cubed plus 216 is equal to, ang kanya pong binomial factor ay 7z plus 6 at ang kanyang trinomial factor ay 49z squared minus 42z plus 36. So ang kanyang factor po at ang ating final answer ay 7z plus 6 times the quantity of 49z squared minus 42z plus 36.
That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Also, wag natin kalimutan i-share to sa inyong mga kaibigan o kapamilya na gusto niyang matuto ng ganitong lesson. So that's all for now. Thank you so much and see you on my next video.